Today, let's talk about magnetic box. Magnetic boxes typically consist of a box body and a lid. What makes them special is the incorporation of magnets. The magnets are strategically placed along the edge of the box and the corresponding areas of the lid. When you bring the lid close to the box, the magnets create a strong and secure connection. This design ensures that the lid stays firmly in place, preventing accidental openings and keeping the contact safe. Using a magnetic box is very convenient. Unlike traditional boxes with complete locking mechanisms or flimsy nets, magnetic boxes are simply to open and close. All you need to do is apply a gentle pull to separate the lid from the box. When you're done, just place the lid back on and the magnets will do the rest. It has a large capacity and depth, which is suitable for storing large items or lots of small items. We support customization. If you are interested, please contact us. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.